Hello, and welcome to PGCPS's 6th grade math file exchange. Thank you for being willing to upload and share resources with your colleagues. This short video will demonstrate how to upload your resources onto this exchange. You can upload resources based on two things about your resource: the unit that they belong to or the objective. Let's go ahead and start off with the units. So let's say I know that the resource I want to upload today is in Unit 7. I can either go up here to the tab that says Units, and you can see all the units that show up, and click on Unit 7. Similarly, on the home page, there's a box right here that has all the units covered, and I can click on Unit 7 here as well. Scroll back up, and let's go ahead and click on Unit 7. The unit page also has all of the objectives that this unit targets, in addition to all of the reviews and any practice tests or problems that encompasses all of Unit 7 as well. I know in this case I want to do 6.5b1a, so I'm going to click on that objective, and it takes me to the objective page. Now let's go back and let's try searching for it by the objective that it targets. I know, for instance, that this resource is going to target objective 5b1a. If you look up here on the toolbar, you have all the standards as listed in MDK-12. So I know it's 5, so I'm going to click 5. And then I know it's theoretical probability, so B. And I'm going to click 1, the indicator right here, and the appropriate objective. And it takes me to the exact same page as I did in the earlier unit demonstration. The objectives page is the meat of the resource file exchange. This is where all the resources are located. To add your file, simply go here and click Add File. And if you notice that you don't have this toolbar on your computer, please email me at jinsoo.huh@pgcps.org, and you can find that in the Help tab as well. So let's go ahead and go to Add File. Just go ahead and search your computer for where your file is located. In this case, I know my file is located on the desktop, and it's called Tree Diagrams. Whatever you call it on your computer is what it's going to show up on as the file exchange, so make sure you save it as whatever you want it to be. Then go ahead and enter in a brief file description of what it is. I'm just going to say this is guided notes. This is a worksheet that has a lot of tree diagram problems. This also introduces students to the fundamental counting principle. And then go ahead and click Upload. Notice that when it uploads, it shows up right here at the very top of the file exchange. We want to make sure that this file exchange stays nice and organized. So what you're going to do is click on your resource and go ahead and move to the appropriate folder. For a description of what each of these folders represent, go ahead and click on the Help section as well. But go ahead, in this case, I know that this was a lesson plan. So I'm going to go ahead and click on a lesson plan and move it there. And notice that it's just been moved down there. If you accidentally click on the wrong one, no worries. Just go ahead and click on it again and go ahead and move it to the appropriate one. So let's say I want to move it to miscellaneous this time, and it'll go ahead and move right down there. If you want to delete a file, go ahead and click on it again, and then just click the trash can up here to delete. And notice that it disappears. If forever you accidentally delete a file that you didn't mean to, please just shoot me an email and we'll go ahead and try to recover that as soon as possible. Other than that, that's pretty much how you upload a resource. And again, thank you for being willing to upload your resources.